you didn't say that we're leaving already.
I did say that already.
Oh.
We are back. I know we said we were gonna leave. We were uploading daily, but we had some life-changing events in our life that happened. We're gonna explain all that in other videos coming up too. But they're pretty huge events that happened. But now we're back. But we were uploading constantly, and now we're back to that, and we have plenty of content for a long time, actually. Huh? So right now we're just working on. Before all these events happened, we started organizing back here to make it kind of like a little shop area, a little bit more comfortable. I know we're always losing stuff, so hopefully with all this we get a little bit more organized, which I think we're still gonna lose everything. But just a little quick rundown. A mini fridge. We set up this table. We built it. Well, this is a workbench actually. We have another cabinet, I guess you could call it, right? A cabinet that's gonna replace this nasty table. It's gonna go all the way to like around right there. That's what. In this video, we're gonna be working on that actually, finishing it. We did have my grandpa. Shout out to my grandpa, mi abuelito. He does weld and do all that stuff, so he welded us the skeleton. I mean, we could have done it too, but it would have taken us forever. He did it in 2 days. Right now, we're gonna go down to. We're gonna try Lowe's because we always go to Home Depot. I don't think I've ever been to a Lowe's, so we're gonna go ahead and try Lowe's and see if they have anything new. But we're definitely gonna buy the wood, finish up that because we do have a lot of tools like power tools and stuff like that, and they're out in the open, so we want to lock them up and stuff. So we're gonna be doing that. The Mustang, we did record that as well already. We're gonna be uploading that video later on. We finished wrapping the front bumper. Everything looks pretty even now. We're gonna end up removing it though because soon, I mean, we have the pipe bender right there and everything. We're gonna do a tube. We're gonna be doing the tubing front end on that. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, we have many plans coming up. But yeah, actually, let's just go to Lowe's right now. Daylight savings. Finally, we have plenty of sunlight all the way to like 6 or 7 p.m. Oh, so yeah, this is the cabinet thing. I mean, the doors are set. Everything's set. We just need to box everything in and then it's ready to go. I think I'm gonna leave it raw like this, the metal. Oh no, it might rust though. Later on, we can paint it. Glitter red. I did order some more parts for the truck, which nobody knows, including the camera guy over here doesn't know. But but yeah, I have that coming in probably within this week. Actually, by the end of this week. That door has been having issues locking. Alright, we're here at Lowe's. Oh, we almost got run over. And we're gonna get the wood. Hopefully it fits in the truck. We don't have a truck, we just have the SUV, so hopefully we don't have to come back with the truck. But yeah, let's just go get the wood and then we should start working.
A few moments later.
Well, Home Depot it is. They really don't have shit over here. Damn, Home Depot has a lot more stuff than Lowe's. I didn't like Lowe's.
Yeah.
I didn't like the environment either. It's kind of weird in here. Alright, we got a little sidetrack. I mean, we went to Harbor Freight already. Now we're here at Best Buy. Hopefully we buy a mic for this. We do have the little mics, but I'm kind of tired of those already. It is hot today. It is hot. But we connected the mic. Hopefully you guys can hear the difference and it's better quality. Let's go get the wood. We were just gonna go get wood today. Alright, so we decided to go. Are you even recording? The mic's not even plugged in.
Yes, it is.
Oh, yes. We decided to go with this material instead because plywood is so damn expensive. It's like 40, 45, 50 bucks a sheet. Ow. Fuck. And this is what a lot of IKEA furniture is made out of anyway, so we're gonna go with this. I like it a lot better actually. It feels sturdier than wood actually. Yeah, we are losing sunlight. Like you guys saw in the video, we got a little bit of sight. We got a little bit of sight. We got a little bit sidetracked, but we'll go ahead and finish now. It should be. Self-drilling lathe screws.
Hey, chill, Tyson.
Oh, you're fake. What if he sees this?
No.
You're gonna come kick our ass. That was fake. That one broke. Why? Because there's so much tension on it now.
Yes.
Alright, so as you guys can see, it's another day already. Because yesterday we didn't have enough time. We got a lot of... I don't know what I was saying. We got sidetracked a lot yesterday. But we got a lot done. We got a mic. Hopefully it works. We still haven't heard the videos from yesterday. So we're just winging it right now. But yeah, it's another day. We got a lot more done. We got the bottom piece, the middle piece right here, and then the top piece done. All we got to do is the sides, this side, that side, and then the front doors right here. And then we're done. We did have to run to Home Depot again to get the last pieces that we needed. Hopefully we finish this today. We'll show you guys the area and try and put most of it away. But yeah, just check it out. Recording? Stop zooming into it. Well, we finally finished it. We just gotta clean it up. As you can see, we still gotta organize all these tools and stuff like that, but this is the general idea. This is our new shop. We need a thumbnail. But yeah, this is our shop right here, shop area. As you can see, the shop is gonna be right here. All the tools. This is how you open it. We have a lot of room for the bigger tools down there. Oh. Smaller tools up here. We do have a latch on it. Technical difficulties. We do have a latch and a lock. And now we're able to leave our tools in here without worrying of it getting jacked. Unless they come in. Well, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm not even gonna jinx anything. But yeah, we're just gotta organize this. Our shop area is gonna be right here. This is gonna be like a table that we're gonna use. As you can see, we're gonna have the cars over here. We already have the Mustang and then one of the Miatas right here. And this is gonna be our work area, all the tools and everything. So we have a lot of content coming in. Stay tuned after this video. All the way at the end, we do have piping. We are into paintballing. We are gonna be making a little stand for it. Cause I know we usually just have it in a duffel bag or just laying around and stuff like that. But nah, stay tuned all the way at the end. It's not that important though, but that's why we're gonna put it all the way at the end. But thanks guys. Go ahead and
No say. Alright, so make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button and turn on those post notifications because we're back.
Oh, you hit me.